People think flea markets are just piles of old junk. But real collectors know one dangerous thing. Sometimes, hidden in the trash, you find things you can't even buy in expensive stores. And today is exactly that kind of day. Today, I'm digging through junk boxes, risking money, checking watches right there on the street, trying to figure out what's real and what's a very expensive mistake. In this video, you'll see watches worth just a few bucks that could sell for hundreds, weird vintage finds, fake watches that look too real, and one find that literally made my hands shake. And honestly, after one story today, I couldn't look at old watches the same way anymore. So make sure you watch till the end, because the ending gets unexpected. At flea markets, everything is decided in seconds. If you arrive too late, the resellers already took the best stuff. If you trust the seller too easily, you lose money. And if you're too scared to take a risk, you'll spend months thinking about the watch you left behind. And the craziest part? Sometimes the most expensive things look like complete garbage. Rusty cases, broken crystals, dirty straps. But that's exactly where real treasure hides sometimes. So watch carefully till the end and tell me in the comments, which find would you take home? All right, let's start. And the first find? This Seiko with a fluted bezel. Very interesting watch, but there's a lot of work needed here. The case needs full polishing. The bracelet needs restoration. And look at the bezel. The chrome is worn all the way down to yellow brass. The plating is basically gone. So now the big question. Leave it yellow brass or re-chrome the whole bezel? Honestly, I still can't decide. So definitely tell me in the comments which would look better. Let's keep moving. Lots of fake watches today. And the next pickup, Orient 3-star with this beautiful dark blue dial. This is exactly why I love flea markets. Because to most people, it looks ordinary. But collectors already know this is a really solid piece. And only 20 bucks. Very good buy. Next, another junk box. But you can already tell someone got there before us. Sometimes sellers throw new watches in later, but the good stuff disappears in minutes. And right nearby, mixed in with clothes, I spot these women's Orient quartz watches. After restoration, they could actually look really nice. And honestly, this is interesting too. Do you think vintage women's watches are underrated right now? Moving on, someone selling a used toilet seat ring. This is why I love flea markets. You literally never know what you're gonna see next. And the next pickup, a 1950s Pobeda. Look at this dial condition. Almost perfect. For a watch this old? That's rare. And only $8. How do you think I did? Tell me in the comments. Let's move on. People are even selling weapons here today. Literal weapon dealer sitting there. And right next to him, another find. Orient quartz. Not working. But honestly, sometimes these are the best deals. Because occasionally, the only problem is the battery. Paid 10 bucks. What do you think? Will they come back to life? Next, random fake stuff. Brass figures, junk. But this caught my attention. These Wenger watches. Nothing super rare, but you almost never see them here. And only $5. These quiet little finds sometimes end up being the most satisfying. Beautiful weather today, lots of people. But we got here early enough, which means we still have a chance. And here, two finds together, a 1950s Zim Pobeda and a 1960s Poljot. For parts, 2 watches, $5 total. For spare parts, that's basically free. Let's keep going. And suddenly, mixed in with clothes, I find a Citizen Eco Drive with a sapphire crystal. Now this gets interesting. The bezel is scratched, but if I leave the case yellow and polish the bezel back to steel, these could end up looking really unique. Paid $15. So now I want your opinion. Full restoration or leave the signs of age? Then, a really weird find. A watch marked Made in Hong Kong. Have you guys ever seen something like this? Paid $1. Sometimes I buy weird things just because they're too strange to leave behind. And then, a find I never expected to see mixed in with kids' toys and dishes. Vintage Tissot Seastar automatic. Stainless steel case. Original crystal. Very alive condition. And when the seller said $25, I didn't even negotiate because this is a super find. Polish it, new strap, a little work, and this thing could easily sell for $250. This is why people get addicted to flea markets. The adrenaline here is real. Then, another Tissot, but quartz this time. And now the seller wants $100. That's another problem with flea markets now. Sellers check the internet too. And some prices are getting crazy. So, we move on. Lots of watches today, but either nothing interesting or the prices are too high. And then, Casio Edifice. A few weeks ago, I already found one like this. But this one? Broken crystal, scratched bezel, both sides of the strap destroyed. And honestly, these are my favorite projects. Because either it turns into something amazing, or it becomes a total disaster. $20. What do you think? Is it even working? Write it in the comments. Moving on. More weird handmade stuff, fake watches, random junk.
Для перса, например, ему предложить вот есть 200 гривен такая, вот, 26. И наша Марийка вот.
And among all that, another Pobeda. Beautiful dial, good bracelet, healthy case. But here's the real question. Are there still people buying watches like this? Or should it just become a donor watch for parts? Really curious what you think. Then, anime figures, more weird stuff. And suddenly, Vostok Amphibia. Beautiful dial, good case. Just needs polished crystal, fresh bezel, new paint. And these things could look almost brand new. $25. How do you like this restoration project? And by the way, if you're looking for something specific from the flea market, write in the comments. I can try to find it for you. Then another Orient 3-star, this time with a black dial. $15. Really solid find. After that, emeralds, pearls, tons of Soviet watches. But honestly, I already have so many Soviet movements for parts, there's no point buying everything anymore. And then, inside a random box, I notice a women's citizen. $1. Yeah, moments like that really happen at flea markets. Then, two Pobeda watches, blue dial and brown dial, both running. $10 for both. What do you think? Good deal or overpriced? Then I spotted a Burberry watch, but the seller wanted $100. And honestly, I still haven't decided if I should go back for it. Tell me, would you buy it? And these guys right here, that's flea market security, the bosses of the market. And that's it for today. Definitely tell me, which find was your favorite? I read all the comments. And don't forget, on the 8th, I'm announcing the giveaway winner. The most active subscriber gets a watch from my personal collection. And honestly, I'm already thinking about adding multiple winners, because the activity lately has been insane. Thanks everyone, and I'll see you in the next hunt.